Under the session.reset configuration block, you have got three keys: mode, three values, daily, idle, off. Daily means the session resets at a specific hour in the time zone of the gateway every day. The default hour is 4. So at 4 a.m., the session context is cleared. Now, not your memory markdown, not your daily logs, those persist on disk. They are safe, but the conversation context, the in-flight understanding the agent has built up over the past few hours, that gets wiped. Clean slate at 4 a.m. Idle means the session resets after a configured idle period. The default is 120 minutes, 2 hours. Pretty reasonable. Off means no scheduled reset. The session lives indefinitely until you reset it manually or restart the gateway. A practical note: the daily reset surprises a lot of new users. They wake up, ask the agent what they were working on yesterday, and the agent goes, "I am not sure." Right? That is the daily reset doing its job. If you do not want that behavior, set mode to off. Most personal assistant deployments end up doing exactly that, honestly. Now, thread bindings. Under session.threadBindings, you have got three keys: enabled, Boolean, whether thread level session binding is on at all. Idle hours, how long a thread stays bound to its parent before potentially spinning off. Default 24 max age hours. The maximum age of a thread session in hours. Default 0, which means no max age. When threads spin off. If thread bindings are enabled and a thread reaches its idle threshold, OpenClaw can give it its own independent session. That is really useful for coding work where each thread is a discrete task with its own context. The agent does not need to drag in the rest of the history from the parent channel. Per channel knobs. Inside a channel block, you can override session behavior with per channel keys. Session limit. DM. History limit. Text chunk limit. Chunk mode. Media max MB. Reply to mode. Streaming. Error. Policy. Each of those tunes how the channel layer handles its sessions and messages. Lots of knobs. A few of these are worth singling out. Reply to mode controls when the agent replies in a thread versus inline. 4 options. Off. No thread reply. First, reply in a thread only on the first message. All. Reply in a thread for every message. Batched. Reply once at the end of a batch. Streaming controls how the response from the agent gets delivered. Off. Only the final message. Partial. Token streaming with edits. Block. Wait for the full response, then post. Progress. Periodic progress messages. Then final. We will go deeper on streaming in Module 7. Error policy controls what happens on failure. Reply. Post the error message. Silent. Fail without telling the user. Most channels default to reply. In the last lesson of this module, we cover session limits and scope rules in more detail. See you there.